Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome to the Honda DreamLab, where dreams are imagined. I'm your boy Utel, and this is Dream It Yourself, or DIY as we like to call it around these parts. You guys will catch on pretty soon. And today we are going to give an up and coming artist a unique crafting challenge, give them 100 minutes to complete that. And the artist in here today in the DreamLab will be Chi from Chi.qc. So show him some love, man. Chi, come on the set, man. Yeah. Welcome to the DreamLab.
Hey,
what's going on, my boy?
Hey, what's up?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling very ready.
You feeling right? You feeling confident?
Yes, sir.
I seen your work. You know what I'm saying? You do some good work.
Thank you.
There you go. Form and function. So, Chi, what does that mean to you? Form and function.
Form and function. Well, form is, I guess, like shape and aesthetic, like how it looks, and then the function is how you use it. You know, because it can't just look good; it has to be good.
It can't just look good; it has to be good. I feel like that's one of many gems
That's what I
that
think.
he's gonna drop on us here today in the DreamLab. I like it. So what we're gonna do is, as we do every time here in the DreamLab, we are gonna spin our DIY roulette reel and find out what today's challenge will be. Let's get it.
Let's see. Hey, that's what's
It's a hoodie. That is the challenge for today. How you feeling about that?
I'm feeling great about it. That's my language,
Okay, speaking your
I
language.
speak many languages, so that's one of my languages.
He said he's fluent in many a fashion. I like that.
So, because of what I do, I definitely have a lot of experience with hoodies, so I'm definitely gonna, want this one because it's blank, so.
Okay, gotta have a blank.
It's not gonna look like this one is done, but
okay.
That's good for now. And,
Good starting point.
This one has like a nice vintage vibe to it. Got the.
I like that one a lot.
Yeah,
good vintage vibe.
Yeah, this one's fire. This one's fire right here.
I like that one a lot.
I'm just looking for logos. I'm just going for logos. I just want all the logos. So the paws are gonna they're gonna sit on top of here. And instead of just being a blank color, I wanna, add some Honda stuff to it. So actually, let me find like a tinier Honda logo to add on here.
Okay, for you to translate onto the paws.
So I think this size paw is gonna be perfect for it. And then after I do all this design, just so everyone is up to date,
right,
I'm actually gonna put a pocket on the back right here. So this design is gonna sit here. There's gonna be a pocket with the zipper. And then the front is gonna have that special little phone pocket, probably like somewhere around here.
Like the mid-section area.
Yeah, and then up here, I'm thinking of maybe putting something for pins.
What are we doing right now?
So right now, we just finished cutting out this first paw, and you saw this one has like part of the Honda on it. And then I didn't even plan for this, but it looks like it has nails, so.
That's hard. Wait, so you didn't actually do that at first?
Nah.
Because it was blank at first, and then all of a sudden it has like purple nails.
Yeah, so
okay.
It also has a manicure, so.
Right.
Sometimes you come for fashion, sometimes you come for, beauty tips. And it's just purple nails today.
Another language you speak is beauty tips. There you go. It's time for a pit stop. Ooh. All right, Chi, what year was the Civic introduced in the U.S.? A, 1968, B, 1970, C, 1973, or D, 1975? What year was the Civic introduced in the U.S.? Classic, classic car in the Honda catalog, the Civic. I used to drive my mom's back in the day.
Well, I was born in '98, so I'm gonna have to guess,
So, C is the final answer. Let's go with it. There you go. See, there you go, man. Shout out to you. So with that correct answer, we are going to give Chi an additional 5 minutes on the clock. Add that 5 minutes. There you go. Right there, live. Right there in the top right corner, you have 5 extra minutes. So you focus on creating the best art you could create.
I got you.
I'll read the comments to let you know.
So check this out. So this guy is gonna live. I'm actually not gonna put him directly on it.
I'm very intrigued on what you're gonna do with this.
I'm gonna kind of slice it in half because just kind of offsetting it a bit is gonna make it look a lot more interesting instead of just, copying and pasting right onto it.
Okay, so you're gonna cut it off. Well, you can talk us through it, and then you're gonna.
Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it, and I'm thinking of, so basically if I cut it down the middle and then bring one side up and one side down, it'll add a little bit of dimension to it.
Got it.
And then I'm gonna use it probably on the front of the garment as well.
I like that. Instead of just leaving it all symmetrical, it'll just it'll add a different layer to it if it's not evenly aligned.
Yeah, and it's tempting sometimes just to go the easier route, which is that, but So this is right here is gonna be the heart. So now I'm gonna sew this together just so that I have enough room to get the heart out of there. And this heart is definitely a good size for that. So yeah, I'm about to just sew this.
Love it. I love it. You're getting a lot of love here. A lot of support here. But that's just, I think that's because of the type of person you are, obviously.
Hey, I love the love, you know. I love my family. I definitely want a big family.
That's dope.
Down the line, because I got a sister, I got a little brother. Little brother's like 6 months old now, so very new. Pretty much like my son, almost, you know?
Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. This is a very dope vintage.
And this other Honda piece, I think I'm just gonna cut this Honda out and just stitch it. Like maybe if I move these paws down a bit.
Okay, readjust that.
I can probably like slide this one like right there inside of it. Yeah, so, you know, we're doing some nice designs with some paws, and all this stuff is gonna go in the back. We're gonna put a pocket on the back as well. And like I said before, the pocket's for the teammate. Pocket in the front is gonna be for us. And yeah, but it has to look good too, so this is the looking good part.
Okay, this is the part where you're making sure it looks good too.
Yeah, that's
because
the
we know where it's gonna. Yeah, we know the function. Now we gotta get the form. What you gonna do with this?
I'm gonna just cut off. I'm gonna cut off enough just to make this pocket, because it would be a lot easier for it to be non-stretched. But like just child stuff.
It's such a dope jacket, like, and it's right. Am I like bugging out? I just think it's such a cool
I mean, I've just done it so much, and I was like, yeah, I'm just
you just did it with no remorse. Like, you just cut a dope, super dope Honda racing jacket like it was nothing. And you brought the big scissors out.
I mean, I've cut like vintage Patagonia up that I could have easily sold for.
That you could have you could have rocked it or something.
You could have been an easy flip, and you know, just cutting up.
Yeah, Fog Cabin feels me. He said, damn, that jacket is dope. We talked about it earlier. People think you just woke up one day and you're this Chi, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, we talked about challenges. So talk about challenges. I feel like that's an upcoming challenge for you, right? Hiring a staff.
Yeah.
Talk about that maybe, and that specifically, and just overall like challenges that you run into.
And right now I'm just pulling favors. I just got friends that do things. Right now, I mean, from my other friends do things, I do things. We just help each other out. And there's times that I do pay people for stuff, because I'm definitely, just coming from the film industry, I know what it's like to do something for free, or just maybe like however that goes. And so I try to get people at least paid or compensated in the best way that I can.
Right.
Because I just know what it's like to like do your job and not get tagged or credited.
These were all separate materials. Patty Chills through the flame emojis. Turnpike Tony loves the energy.
Mr. Patty over there. Yo, why is this?
That's just in your head now, right?
Yes. I don't know, it's just
when you
so
said
funny.
it, I was like, ah.
Yeah.
I was like, you know the world we living in, man. You don't just assume. But he corrected you in a very nice way. So there you go, Mr. Patty. Clean, he says it's clean. Cotter one says it's fire.
Appreciate it. Yeah, so this is gonna got the little string on it. I'm about to just tack this down real quick. Yeah,
guys,
get
also
going.
following the timer. How you feeling right now? How you feeling time-wise? Give me your honest answer. How you feeling time-wise? Feeling a little?
Definitely.
Feeling good?
Probably gonna. I'm gonna speed up.
We got 6 minutes left.
Oh yeah, we're good.
You got 6 minutes. Yeah?
Yeah, we're
okay,
good.
Cool. He said,
we're good.
That's light. It's easy.
Yeah, that's all. Oh wait.
Simple.
I don't want to hurt you. Yeah, I'm gonna put these pins over here.
Nah, do your thing. I'll take a step back.
Yeah, these are.
You still gotta add that heart though.
Yeah, I'm about to add that right now.
You still gotta add that heart. It's not gonna make sense without the heart.
It's gonna go right here under. You know what I'm gonna actually do first?
What's that?
Let's finish this string.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That red light is on, man. Time is up. Time is up.
Oh man.
That heart might have lost the artery or two or something. Man. I don't know.
All right.
That heart might not be a fully formed heart. It might be a clogged artery in that heart. We'll give him an extra 5. Or you can do it in less? I'll give you a...
Hey, 3 minutes is fine too.
3?
If
okay.
You want...
All right, after that, listen.
Hey, the team pocket will be done.
Got things to do.
The team pocket will be done.
All right, cool. I feel nervous as hell right now. I can't even look up.
Trying to feel where.
Nah, you did that.
Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it.
You did that.
All right, cool. It's done.
You did that. You did it.
It's finish, man. Thanks for the challenge. I appreciate it. I'm better.
I know you like it. You feel like you're better than you were 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I trust my skills more, my hands. All right,
I like that. I like that.
All right, so you know this is obviously Honda. You know, you see it got the front. You know, we just left the front regular because of obvious reasons. And then the back, we got the level guy with the paws on it. Our heart.
Yeah, hold that up.
So let's see, let's get the heart.
I like that a lot. Yeah, the color
Heart.
pops. I
Yeah,
the color
made
pops.
from a beanie. So we cut out the beanie, stitched out the little logo from the beanie right on it. And so we got Honda on the heart, Honda on the paws, and then if that wasn't obvious, we got Honda on the main patch right here.
There you go. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. This has been episode 2 of Dream It Yourself here in the Honda DreamLab. Make sure you guys follow us at twitch.tv/Honda DreamLab. This is Chi. I'm Utel. We're out of here.